higher secondary sega jangan ko matam sega kanana kari subject lomni kari gelomni masih quite ki luwa matang amne kanana no asi matang da high duri sekana. What is your ambition? What do you want to do in your life? You have to determine this vision in the proper way. One of the successful speakers of Nahayaba, clarity of vision. Nang na napunchida kari pami. What do you want to do in your life? Masihana Singha. Suppose, ako na common parlance Nahayaba. I want to become a doctor. So what you will do? You will opt physics, chemistry and biology, then you will sit for NEET. If you are qualified, then you will go for doctor. It's very simple. But everybody cannot go for doctor. Atopar line, what are the ways, what are the other courses that you can study in your higher secondary and what you can do after that? But unfortunately, we don't have any agency to guide you. You are a student of class 10. I am sure you do not know many things. You do not know what is the career in life. Noi pekira khangwa angang ngakana nangbo kanana no guide to dois kanana no nangwanda doctor tamu haini doctor engineer is very common atu na ta so mayam lewa tiara national defense academy levi atopa veterinary science levi agriculture science levi fishery science levi there are so many courses but you do not know because there is none to tell you. Actually, this is a gap in our society. Suppose you are studying in class 9-10. Naturally, we expect that your teacher will tell you what is your career options. What are lying before you. Generally, we expect that our teachers should say. But unfortunately, teachers do not know all these things. Moreover, they say, my responsibility is to teach you, to complete my syllabus, not to discuss about your career. Then who remains? Your parents. Your parents also can guide, but your parents also doesn't know. Ay isa se kali tamaja miu then kanana no the high goals. Ujik no 12 chapter ko. Just remember these things. This time there are 85,000 students got first division and first division. 85,000, including all that listings and everything. 85,000. These 85,000 students will try to get admission in different colleges, in different subjects. And you are one of them. In this higher secondary result, just published 1 or 2 days back, I have seen it. In the arts stream, there are 54,000 first division. In the science, there are 34,000 first division. So all these will try for NEET, JEE and everything. And you will be one of the competitors. No, so you compete you have to be very well prepared. Admission how is there any students who is going to study at Guwahati or others? Is there anybody who is going to study at Guwahati, Shillong or Delhi? Anybody? No. They put a title to the paper. It's very good. So, remaining of you, I believe, you are going to study in one of the colleges in Warol. It may be GC College, Cachar College, whatever. It's okay, fine. What others have you have taken? Your parents, your friends will say, you take this, you will go for medical. Or you take this one, you will go for JEE. Doctor, engineer. There are so many things. So many students may not shoot doctor. One thing I remember, so I want to share you. All the students who desire to go for BTech and others, engineer, you should be very careful because AI artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence in engineer ki thabak se mayam ma sugi dora. There are so many employees now, this Google and everything, they are going to cut down. So now if you study science, then you go for BTech. You require until 3 to 4 years in BTech. Means after 6 years you will become BTech. By that time AI will develop and all. There will be very limited scope, I believe, for the engineers. Aduna ta so mayam le yabo se asi ke ni jam pien ju se koina noi ka tak bangam da ba. Veterinary science after that you can go for veterinary science after your higher secondary. You can go for agricultural science. Do you know that there is a fishery college in Raha? Fishery college and college le yabo. Raha is a Nagaon ke ko. You can go for girls polytechnic. And the option mayam le se. So it is one of the toughest thing to choose your career. Nangna kali tangga take na khanda se phai gi luya asigani akoina yamna penje de se ko ese guardian amo na noida adugi scope ta koina takhon thokna ba, but we cannot do it. Akoi the system like that. So definitely a student of class 9 10 he is not supposed to know everything. Makhang ba mo angang na. Aduna whatever has happened, with those who have passed this matriculation examination with reasonably good result, please be careful about choosing your subjects in the higher secondary. That will decide your future after passing the higher secondary. Higher secondary subjects. If you choose the right subject suitable to you, then you will shine. Every year we see lots of students passing with first division, distinctions and everything. But after 4 or 5 years, we do not see anybody. I do not know where they have gone. It is not only this year, every year you pass. But after that, we do not know where you go. Aduna, Aroy Vasida Ainaning is career se na combination khanbada jamna section na kham loidine se sir, I have a request for our honorable minister sir. Sir, আমাদের এখানে একটা মণিপুরি মিডিয়ামে একটা সমস্যা হলো আমাদের যে সমস্ত টিচার রিটায়ারমেন্টে যায় তাদের একদম রিপ্লেসমেন্ট হয় না অনেক টিচার কমে গেছে এখন টিচারটা কমে যাওয়ার জন্য গার্জিয়ানরা বলে টিচার নাই তো আমরা কেমনে পাঠাই এটা একটা খুব বড় একটা সমস্যা আর দ্বিতীয় কথা হলো ম্যাম as a citizen of Assam you must know either Assamese or Bengali থাকলে বসে আর তো আমরা স্যার আগে Assamese টিচারও পাঠাইতো অনেক আগে তারা এইভাবে বলতে বলে সব ট্রান্সফার হয়ে গেছে তো আপনি তো জানেন স্যার আসামিজ বা বাংলা ভাষা একটা যদি না শিখে ভবিষ্যতে তারা যখন চাকরির জন্য অ্যাপ্লাই করে অনেক অসুবিধা ফেস হয় তো এই অ্যাসপেক্টটা আমরা মনে করি একবার আপনার সাথে বসে এই 4 তারিখে আমরা মণিপুরি সাহিত্য পরিষদের সঙ্গে বসে এই জিনিসটাকে একটু স্ট্রিমলাইন করতে লাগবো না হলে অনেক ছেলে মেয়ে ভালো ভালো পরীক্ষা পাস করে কিন্তু বেঙ্গলি না জানার জন্য তারা অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট লেটার পায় না বা আলাদাভাবে ট্রেনিং নিতে লাগে তো আপনি চিন্তা এই হাজার বছর আগামী সিংসে মই whatever you do, but I'm telling you, along with your physics, chemistry and biology, please learn either Bengali or Assamese. Without that, in the future, in the next future, you may say face some problem. So, once again, I wish you all the best. Nasana upajana kanna layik badana. Try to give more better result in your higher secondary so that you achieve your goals. Thank you.